A very good afternoon to all. This is Professor Asif Iqbal. Again, welcome to my channel Motivational Asif Iqbal. And today I am going to take you to the another series of Incredible India. And today's session, what I am covering is respect to Bijapur, and exploring Bijapur is one of a great deal here. And what I am going to cover in this episode. I am here with one of a beautiful place that is called as Kumatagi, which is located 10 kilometers towards east from Bijapur on the way towards Gulbarga and Sindhgi, and this is known as the monument where I am in Kumatagi, which is supposed to be the summer resort for Muhammad Ali Adilshah. Okay, it is built during the regime or the rule of Muhammad Ali Adilshah, who ruled almost from 1627 to 1656 century. See, आप देख सकते हो, see as I enter the through the entrance of कुमटगी, जब हम अंदर जाते हैं तो initially we can see structure consisting of 5 arches, and which is supposed to be the bathroom of the kings, and it consists of, as the history tells is that you can see 5 arches over there. यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हो, you can see here 5 arches. It consists of 5 bathtubs inside where the kings used to take the bath and they used to relax at this place. And as I go interior, अंदर आप आ सकते हो, you can see here, see how the science and technology has developed in those times. Okay, it is a special example for all the mechanical as well as civil engineers. Okay, here the concept of heat conduction and convection comes into effect. Okay, as you can see here is that the particular front structure आप देख सकते हो अंदर आके इधर, the front structure is surrounded by a channel of water here. So you can see here the front structure is surrounded by a channel of water which they used to get the water from Begum Talab or Taj Body. Okay, आप देख सकते हो. See, you can see the channels. Okay, this channel is surrounding almost to the circumference of this particular structure. Okay, this monument. Okay, आप देख सकते हो. See, as the air passes through that particular over the water layer, what happens is that the air loses its heat to the water, and hence the air get cooled, or what happens is that that particular intensity of water vapors increases, as a result of which the air get cooled, and this cooled air is circulated all through the structure and as well as through the whole area. This is a better example. एक अच्छा उदाहरण है conduction and convection के लिए. You can studied Fourier laws of conduction and convection. Okay, एक बहुत अच्छा उदाहरण है. आप देख सकते हो इधर, आप देख सकते हो इधर, throughout the whole structure it is surrounded. Okay, पूरा structure को surrounded किया हुआ है particular. Okay, as I go through the particular whole structure also, आप आ सकते हैं. See, you can find a monument again inside, just behind that particular one structure. आप देख सकते हैं वहाँ पर. See, this is a monument, okay, which have been built, which is used just for the for having good air for the kings, where they can use that particular monument for that, so that they can relax to the maximum. See, this is the interior view where you can clearly see both the monuments, one in front of the another, which are parallel to each other. See, again interior you can see again a monument that is called as a Hydro and Serenity Tower, which is also designed so that they can sit over there and they can relax. Okay, see again, if I go in depth also, you can see here again water is surrounding around the perimeter of the whole tomb or the structure, and you can see the entrance through which I have showed from the front also. You can see the 5 arches over there, which consist of bathtubs where the kings used to relax. And when I tell at those times also, now in the 20th century we are going for resorts and all those things. In the ancient period also, what it reveals is that the kings also used to relax by coming to such a places wherein they can find and relax and they spend their valuable time. And in front of also I can show you one of a big tower. Okay, the tower which is used for monitoring of the security over there. Okay, and it is almost 20-25 meters tower, which is located at the front, where the soldiers used to monitor and guard the whole place. Right, see, when I see the channel, when I see the bed of the channel, see, you can see here some of the small pipes around surrounding that particular pond, small pond, this water is connected directly to the Begum Talab as well as the Taj body, okay, and automatically every time the water get filled here, and at that time we doesn't have any motors, we doesn't have any centrifugal pumps so as to pump the water directly here, and water that is flowing, that is by means of gravitational force, okay. This is a very challenging engineering what you can see in the previous times also, okay. At that time they are used to supply the water from Begum Talab as well as Taj bodies to various locations of Bijapur without the aid of any of the motors or the machine, okay. It shows that during the Adilshah dynasty, not only the sculpture as well as the art and architecture is at its highest level, but also the engineering what they have been using at that time, that is also of a greater importance, and this is much to learn for all the civil as well as the mechanical engineers. See, here you can see the reservoir of Kumatagi. It is extended almost around 200 acres of lands which is covering over here. You can see the whole pond, and you can see the same structure at the center of that pond also. See how the system is designed. You can see here, you can find a water reservoir here. The water by means of gravity, it is flowing inside that particular here one storage channel is built over here. Water flows in the storage channel, it get stored here, and after that when we go outside also, we can come over here, I can show you, yes, stored here, and when as I move from the front, you can see that particular, again there is a storage channel created. You can see the channel also where it is created, and when I move on the front also, you can see here the water get stored over here, and after that you can see the channel over here. See, you can see the channel over here. See how the channel it is built. See, again the water which is coming from that particular pond gets stored here. You can see the passage also through which the water is coming. You can see here the passage through which the water is coming. The water gets stored here, and that water by gravity flows through that particular channel, and again it flows through that to the monument where that a big channel is provided. See, this is an example for all the civil engineering water resource management. See, if you are learning civil engineering and if you are studying water resource management or water management as a subject, Kumatagi is a must place to visit for each and every students, okay. And what I just tell and what I suggest is that this Kumatagi is supposed to be the most hidden place where people don't visit, okay. I request all the visitors as well as the people of Bijapur who are also not knowing about Kumatagi, okay, they visit once and you can see the glory of Bijapur which lies itself in Kumatagi, okay. Thank you very much on the behalf of Motivation Asif Iqbal channel.